All right, so tonight we're gonna get this all cut out. This rust in this A-pillar where the door catch mounts up. This is the old piece I had. As you can see, it's pretty rusty. So I've got some old scrap metal. This here, it's same thickness as what I need for that. So I've got some new nuts. I'm gonna cut a piece out of that, weld some nuts on it for the door check strap, weld her back in, and finish up this metal work. So let's get to it. So now that I got this piece cut out, I need to measure and mark the holes to weld the nuts on. Let's go over to my vise and do that. Here you can see the back side of the outer skin that I had to cut off and how rusty it really was. So I'm going to transfer these holes over and get drilling. Nice fresh drill bit, drills pretty well through it. Go grab my welder, bring it over here, weld her up. Do a few taps in each corner. All right, we got that welded in. Now I'm just ready for the outer layer. Since it's all new metal, looks good. Holes are in the same spot that they were before cutting it out. So my next step tomorrow, I'll build the outer piece, get that welded up. I'll spray some weld-through primer on the inside. Should be good to go. What's up, guys? So I got that inner piece welded up last night. Tonight I started making this outer. It's a little bit complicated because of how it's got those indents there, so I'm gonna make a couple little pieces for that. So what I did is got some cardstock, and basically made this to where it'll fit. And I'll just have to cut this out with some metal and then weld them in. So this patch, it's looking pretty good. The gap's a little fat there, but we'll fill her up. Let's do it. All right, so now that we got them cut, we're gonna kind of bend them in shape how they're supposed to be and trim them to fit. It's gonna be better if you can get them to fit, if you can get them pre-fit before you start welding, or else it's gonna be a lot harder to move it after you, like if I started, I can get this side started, tack that side, then move around to here, it's gonna be a little bit tougher to do. So I'm gonna end up trimming it, trying to get it to fit nice before I even start welding it all. All right, I got it all tacked. So I got both pieces tacked on. As you can see, my gap there's a little fat. I'm gonna have to fill that up, like I said. So I got those two pieces tacked on. Now I'm gonna weld them up and grind them down. All right, so now that I got it mostly welded, I still have to finish that up. I'm gonna grind it down, see if there's any pinholes, and then I'll touch those back up too. All right, guys. All right, I guess my battery died last night while I was grinding it down, but here's how it looks today. Nice and ground down. No pinholes. Looks good. So next step will be filler and prep it for paint. So that's gonna be my next video, is finishing up the bodywork on this cab. I've already started, as you can see. So we'll start on some bodywork and get it prepped out for paint. Catch you later.